How I feed my plants. We're back with another chat question. Highlander asks, I would like to talk a bit about feeding. How are you doing it, and what kind of fertilizer you use? Well, you're in luck because that's an easy one to answer. Let's dive right into what I'm using in my garden. For my soil or hydro plants, I start with Riot starter cubes. These little guys are great for seed germination or clones. They can be planted in soil or an RDWC system. From there, my soil plants go right into Fox Farm Ocean Forest soil, while my hydro plants go into a net pot of whatever expanded clay I happen to have at the time. From here, both my soil and hydro plants get the same nutrients. The Fox Farm Cultivation Nation line. Grow, Micro, Bloom, and CalMag. I also use Open Sesame, Beastie Blooms, and Cha-Ching. I use these as directed by the Fox Farm Cultivation Nation 3-part hydroponic feeding schedule at half strength. My hydro system also gets some Southern Ag organic garden-friendly fungicide. For this, I'll use less than 1/10 of a milliliter for my 15-gallon system. And that covers my weekly feeding schedule. I've found that this is a good generic feed schedule that works for all my plants. From here, I can dial in a more specific feed schedule depending on what I'm growing. What nutrient line are you currently using? What additional additives do you use when feeding your plants? Do you use synthetic or organic nutrients? Let us know down in the comments. I hope this helps you find a starting point for feeding your plants. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, Harvest Watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.